The stage is set for the most anticipated event of his whole entire career. Strict security measures in place and traffic changes. Vybz Kartel Freedom Concert. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Yeah, give them a bunch of killer vibes. Finally, tonight, we'll be here. Make sure you're there. I'll be there. Where will you be?
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. The highly anticipated Freedom Street concert for Vybz Kartel is just around the corner, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF has issued a warning to attend days of the upcoming Vybz Kartel Freedom Street concert slated for the National Stadium on Tuesday, December 31, advising them that no offensive weapon will be allowed inside the venue. According to the police, prohibited items include firearms, explosives, knife, glass bottles, large umbrellas, scissors, or other objects that might potentially cause harm or injury. In addition, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has announced significant traffic changes in and around the area of the National Stadium. No parking will be permitted at the venue, and strict one-way system will be enforced for the duration of the event. Motorists using Mountain View Avenue and Outerwind Drive should expect potential delays and disruption in traffic flow before, during and after the concert. To assist with transportation, shuttle pickup points have been designated at Heroes Park, 8 West Kings House Road and Jamaica College. Traffic personnel will be stationed along key routes to manage congestion and ensure safety. Attendees are urged to follow the instruction of these officers to facilitate the smooth movement of traffic and people. So if you have not purchased your tickets yet, this is a breakdown of the ticket prices and locations where you'll be inside the venue. So Tier 1 ticket and their prices. Bleachers $125 and bleacher seats are located around the venue and opposite the grandstand, now available for purchase. Bleachers patrons have a designated entry and exit into the venue, and patrons will have a good viewpoint of the stage and accessibility to restrooms. Grandstand $300. Grandstand seats are located behind the circle track, now available for purchase. Grandstand patrons have a designated entry and exit also into the venue. Grandstand patrons are located in close proximity to bars, food courts and restroom with seats for patrons' comfort. Infield is located behind the center stage, available for purchase now. This glass standing area has a great viewpoint of the stage. Infield patrons have designated ease of entry and exit into the venue. Infield patrons also are located in close proximity to bar, food courts and restrooms. Circle track $10,000. Circle track pods are located parallel to the running track, available for reservation now. This area is a great view of the stage. Circle track patrons have designated ease of entry and exit into the venue also. The Circle Track pods entitles you to 8 tickets and a bottle package, inclusive of 6 premium bottles and a hostess with security. Center stage $1,500. Center stage is located in close proximity to the stage, available for purchase now. This is situated directly in front of the stage and behind the media area, providing patrons with the closest view of the stage. Center stage patron will have designated entry and exit into the venue. This area is a drink inclusive area and in close proximity to bar and restrooms.
Yo, member of Vybz Kartel. And a bag of people are for my friend. But anyway, you see me, you see Skilly Bang. Yes, sir? Is there? Fully. December 31st. Freedom Street.
No, that.
You hear? And we can tell them something.
What you say?
On the don't grimy. First thing on the knuckle like me.
Full of gun, every.
Full of crocodile teeth.
Is there? Yeah,
You
man.
said?
December 31st, Freedom Street. Remember that.
Eastside Gaza and a plaza. What they under my nose? I'm out.
Is there?
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So it's an experience. This New Year's Eve will be magical. So the gates open at 4 p.m. All the bars, the food vendors will be ready for you. The DJs will be juggling and holding a vibe with you from start to finish. You know, I'm gonna like this. But what I'm gonna say is that it's gonna be amazing. The king of dancehall, Spice will be there as the queen, Skilly Bang as the prince, my two sons, Little Vybz, Little Addy. Plus we have a lot of cameo appearances, Family, Sheba, Popcorn, you name it. They'll all be there. So I want everybody to come out from Shirley and support the event. It's something that even the weather can prevent. So we need everybody to be there. It's gonna be an amazing. You know, Joe, spend a lot of time and effort, money, into the events, right? So it's gonna be amazing. So any questions, ask me now and make me know. I think all the old things the Vybz Kartel now work out. I'm in the gym, I went up the gym. And we're doing the gymnastics, we're doing the yoga, we're doing the training every morning and every evening. So don't worry, this event will be amazing. 3-hour performance, and we're doing it big. Scatter, big up yourself. So it is what it is. Thank you very much. I'm here right now from Trinidad, which is the new rum that Vybz Kartel is promoting. We have to pick up the CPJ team, the separate team, Mr. Pandui, and everybody, the entire crew. And we're here, and trust me, this event is going to be amazing. What a choice! Because I'm stop bleach 50% for 50% off for the bleachers. Weird, right? But funny because it's true. So Black Friday, remember this, Vybz Kartel for the Gaza fans there. I will represent for poor people as well. You understand? Exactly. We across all demographic, but we have to represent for poor people. So 50% off on Black Friday for bleachers. Get it? Black bleachers. The teachers. Yeah. Tie.
Never.
Why?
Yeah.
I'm not wearing our jeans.
Yeah.
I'm a sneakers.
Clean.
That's part of the features. Because when we say, remember we're going to change, so I come out of my jersey first. Me I go run off and come out back in my camouflage for the Warrior Gel. Me I go run out and come out back in remember the Kingston Story album with the lens and the button shirt. So it's going to be, for me, a lot of dress codes, but for the fans, when they can't wear a jacket, you know, it's like New Year's. You know, Jamaica people say, well, like, what's the stush? Straight jeans. The certain straight jeans are fitted. Yes. So, thank you. So we're going to come out. So the dress code is going to be like semi-formal. Who said that? No bow down for no vanity.
This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be on point to provide you with more updates to come on December 31 at the staging of the event. Thanks for watching.